You guys, come shop with me at Dollar Tree. I found so many new things. Starting off strong, I found these new travel brushes. I am so excited that I found them. They come in this green and also purple or light lavender compact. When you open it up, it has a good size mirror and it comes with 3 brushes. This is such a good deal. These are great for gift baskets. I snatched 2 of them. And they also have some more of these makeup brushes, and these are nice and full. And Be Pure has these green tea oil infused makeup sponges. And they also have them in this rose oil. And I also found this new brand of nail polish called Beauty Intuition. It's a really pretty bottle. I think it has a rose or some type of flower, but it's a really pretty color. Also in the makeup aisle, I found these clear totes, and these are great for when you go to places where you need to have some clear bags. These would be a great alternative. They come with the pink, blue, and black handles. And still here in the makeup aisle, they have this goat's milk and hyaluronic acid makeup remover wipes. Have y'all tried these before? And boy, do they have new hair accessories, from hair clips to hair ties, you name it, they have it. And these are so pretty hair clips with that fuzzy material. They're so pretty. I love these here, the smaller hair clips. These are coming home with me. I always go to the automotive section because you can always find good items like these heavy duty hooks. I bought 4 of them for a DIY. And here's another good new item. It's a paint edge trimmer. This is such a good deal, you guys, for all you DIYers. Now here's a new door hanger, and they come in black and white. I purchased 2 of these because I have an upcoming DIY with these. Now they also have these new antibacterial hand wipes. And this one is in the pomegranate scent, and it's 50 to a container. And they also have this wild berry scent. I purchased both scents and I absolutely love them. They smell good. Now in the wedding section, they have these champagne bubble bottles, and I thought they were so cute. So if you know anybody that's getting married, these are perfect. Now in the plus section, they have so much fall decor, like this right here for $3. It's a cutting board which says hello fall. That is absolutely gorgeous. Then they have these metal pumpkins that have these beads. These are only $3 and they're absolutely gorgeous as well. And then they have this welcome sign with these 3 pumpkins. These are so pretty, you guys. Seriously, this fall decor is things that you would find at Hobby Lobby. I'm telling you, they are such good items for such an affordable price. They have these huge fabric pumpkins. They're more like pillows, I would think, and they're only $3. They have this orange one here and this light blue one. And they also have this pampas stems, and they are pretty long for only $5. This is a good deal. They also have this pumpkin patch wheelbarrows, which are absolutely adorable. And they brought back the pumpkin garland. And they also have these new fall lanterns in this brown color. These are pretty, you guys. They also have it in this black with the white pumpkin. This looks really nice and neutral. And then they have this white cream one with an orange sunflower, really pretty. And they also have this tabletop pumpkins. These are also really nice. And they also have these bouquet of flowers. And that is it for this shop with me at Dollar Tree. Y'all have a good day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye bye and God bless.